you're looking to make money online with zero experience and you're good at typing or even just fast at texting, then this video is exactly what you're looking for. Today I'm going to be showing you 7 legit typing jobs you can start from home. And yes, they are beginner friendly and some pay over $100 a day once you get into the flow of things. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. Please do go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help your girls' channel grow. Now, before we dive into these online typing jobs, I want to let you know real quick about my digital marketing course for beginners or those with little to no experience. It's super in-depth and a great step-by-step instructions if you're just starting out. Plus, you're not doing it alone because there's a weekly community call where we help each other beat the overwhelm and make sure you never feel stuck. Remember to click the link in the description below after watching this video and binge watch my other videos. What you learn in this video is legit websites that pay you to type, how much you can expect to earn, what skills you need, even if you're a total beginner. Jobs are available worldwide. Bonus tips to boost your income and work smarter. All right, now then, let's get into these 7 legit jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home, even if you're just getting started. Just make sure you watch onto the end, and I'm dropping some bonus tips on how to get paid faster and to boost your income. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Job number 1 is transcription with rev.com. The website is rev.com and they pay $1.10 per audio minute. The skill set required is beginner friendly, so you are to have good grammar and listening skills. This one is available worldwide except for a few countries. Job number 2 is data entry with ClickWorker. The website is clickworker.com. They pay $5 to $10 per hour. The skill set required is basic English, good typing and have attention to detail, but they are available worldwide. Job number 3, captioning with Caption Max via VTAC website, vtac.com. Pay is 50 cents to $1 per minute per video. The skill set they are looking for is good grammar, spelling and syncing captions. Available jobs are in the USA and Canada. So job number 4 is freelance typing gigs on Fiverr. The website is fiverr.com. They pay anything from $5 to $100 per gig. Skill set required is basic typing, good communication, and you can use Grammarly to help you. Available for these gigs is worldwide. Job number 5 is remote typist at Axiom Data Services. Website is axiomdata.com. They pay around $12 to $15 per hour. The skill set needed are some typing experience required. This one is only available in the USA. So job number 6 is remote scopists, which are court transcriptions. The website is Internet Scoping School. They pay really well, around $30 to $50 per hour. And the skill set for this, now then, scopists are also called court reporters. No prior experience is required, but you do need training. They transcribe court proceedings and other events into written form. So you will need good listening skills to make audio recordings and then accurate typing. You also need formatting and proofreading skills. Jobs are available in the USA and Canada. Job number 7 is text chat operator. The website is cloudworkers.com. Pay is around 10 to 25 euros per hour. As a text chat operator, you will conduct text conversations with clients and customers. You will be given advice on customer service, responding to problems that come up during your talks. A chat operator may also teach new recruits, keep an eye on the company's social media profiles, and pretty much anything else that involves typing or texting. You can move up the ladder and learn how to run a chat room. Duties also include supervising social media accounts, training new staff and other duties. Available in the USA and UK. So, as promised, here are some bonus tips. Number one, you can use Grammarly or Hemingway editor to avoid errors. Two, get a typing test score from websites such as typingtest.com and add it to your Fiverr gig. Three, always check Glassdoor for real worker reviews before applying. Four, if you're doing transcription, try Descript or Otter.ai to help transcribe faster and then just clean it up manually. Let me know in the comments below which one you're going to try first. So like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.